Good afternoon. It's time to make some amazing matcha lemonade. It is delicious and it is so good for you. The benefits of matcha, which is this amazing green powder, it's just filled with antioxidants, first of all. And the benefits go everywhere from like extremely good cardiovascular health. It's really good as a detoxifying agent. It's good for your eyesight. It's good for your brain. And it's a cancer preventative and it's delicious. So we're going to be putting in 2 little teaspoons of green matcha. It has a really pungent taste. So if it is not something that you can get over, well, you should get over it. So let's put the juice of 2 lemons right there and put some of the essential water. And then we're going to be putting in 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. There you go. Okay. Now, remember something about the green tea lemonade. Lemonade is very alkalizing to the body, and green tea has a wee bit of caffeine. So I would not recommend this drink after 4 p.m. in the evening, but this drink is super good for the health of your skin. So it's just good stuff. So right here, this is called the Bean Envy whisker, because the matcha is really powdery. You don't want any clumps anywhere. So just use this Bean Envy. We'll link up this particular product. You can get it on Amazon. It's fabulous. And then just put that together. And we're ready to do a little taste test. So delicious. Here's to your good health. So absolutely delicious. To me, I love the taste of matcha and I love the taste of lemonade. And this is one of those things, right? When something is really good for you, does it really matter how it tastes? Just get over it and think about the benefits. And the benefits in this drink well surpasses the taste. And it is a developed taste. So here's to your fabulous health, for your eye health, your brain, your skin, and a lot of other lovely properties. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine, this is Priyanka.